In this video, we're going to look at how to use a theme with our Bootstrap. So at the moment, we have a basic Bootstrap page, and I have put a nav bar across the top, although that doesn't really matter for this particular example. So what I want to do is find myself a free Bootstrap theme. Now, if you just look for free Bootstrap template, there are heaps and heaps of options, and some of them cost you money and lots of them are free, and some of them have amazing tools for putting together your site. But I quite like this one down here called Bootswatch. These are free themes. They're very simple, they're quick to download, and I use these quite a lot. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to choose one of my favorites. Actually, well, why don't we use Quartz? It's not one of my favorites, but I'm going to have a look at it anyway. So we've got download here, and you've got various options of things that you can download, but for our purposes, just the plain Bootstrap CSS file will work just fine. So I've just downloaded that, and now I need to use my program to upload it. Now this will be different depending on whether you're using WinSCP or whatever it is that you're using. So let's just have a quick look. In my case, I'm just going to upload, and then I'm going to find my way to my downloads folder and upload that CSS. The way you do that might be different. And now I have the Bootstrap CSS in the same folder. So just like any CSS file, all I'm going to do is link to it as a style sheet. So up here in the head, you'll see that's the head section there, and I'm already linking to the Bootstrap style sheet. That is the one for Bootstrap in general. So now, using the same format, I wonder why that's, because I haven't closed it yet. Link, rel equals style sheet. There we go. Rel equals style sheet. href is what it's pointing to. And in this case, we happen to know that it's called bootstrap.css. It could be called anything, by the way. It doesn't actually matter if you change the name. And then when I close that, that will now draw upon this style sheet for the main stuff for Bootstrap, then on this one for the theme. So I save that, I go back and I refresh my page. Now if this works, we're going to see my page looking quite colourful because it's brought in all the information from that style sheet. So my text is a different colour, my background's a different colour, and so forth. So that's a really good way to get an import of a whole colour scheme for you so that you don't have to make all those decisions, and a lot of these themes are really well constructed. So I'd encourage you to have a crack at that and see if you can find a free theme that you like.